This is one of my favourite straightforward quilts to make. When you're at work and friends say, oh, so-and-so had a baby yesterday, have you got a quilt for them? And I call this my last minute quilt, baby quilt. My daughter quite often rings me and says, have you got a quilt for so-and-so who's just had a baby at work? So I would put this below, these above, and sew the whole lot together. As I say, it doesn't take very long at all. I then would square it off just to make sure that the edges are quite right, because no matter how hard I try, they're never, even though I've measured them, they're never quite the right length.